Here's the 2022 Camaro ZL1 1LE with the new wheels and tires. The wheels are custom US mags, US304 style black Bandit. The tires are Continental Extremes, 305 19s on the front and 325s by 19 on the backs. They're pretty nice. Haven't washed them yet, so they may not be all the luster that they should have. Car is idling because we have a respite from the rain. I wanted to get a quick video in before it came back again. Don't know when I'm going to have to pull it back in the garage. There was a comment from a YouTuber about the sticking up supercharger, and this is the SC750 option from Callaway. And so what it produces is a shaker hood because the new supercharger sticks up about 3 inches more. So they have to cut a hole in the hood. Pretty professional. I have no complaints. Let's pop the hood and show another perspective. I will be putting some instrumentation in the vent right here to monitor some of the engine parameters to try to find out why I'm not developing as much horsepower as I should from the Callaway. And so there's the daylight, and there's a new supercharger, and here's the new filler for the new cooler. When they replace the supercharger, they put in their own cooling system also. Let's see how full the coolant is. I think the coolant was a little low. I saw some gurgling. I added some. So let's see how full it is. And it looks like it could use a little bit more. They did tell me to fill it up to the top. Pretty professional trim around the cutout. Everything looks actually looks stock, pretty stock unless you're an aficionado. I am working on a horsepower video for YouTube. I haven't finished it yet. It is very disappointing, so I was hoping to get some insight as to why the power is lower than it should be, but I may go ahead and release it anyway, hoping I can follow up with a horsepower dyno video that has everything corrected.